In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve image quality with AI in just 5 minutes. We'll be exploring a straightforward process using AI tools to enhance the visual appeal of your digital images effortlessly. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to create sharper, more vibrant images, whether for social media, professional presentations, or just personal projects. To get started, you'll want to open up the application. Once inside, your first task is to locate the AI image generator button. This is where the magic begins. If you're having trouble spotting this feature right away, don't worry. Simply navigate over to the apps section. Once there, type AI image into the search bar and it should lead you directly to the tool we're going to be using. Now that you've found the AI image generator, it's time to let your creativity flow. Think about the type of image you want to enhance or generate. The beauty of this tool is its ability to turn your imagination into reality. Take a moment to clearly describe the image you have in mind. For instance, you might think of a serene ocean scene. This step is crucial as the AI uses your description to produce an image that matches as closely as possible to your vision. So do your best to be detailed and specific with your description. Once you've nailed down your description, the next step is simply to click on Create. By tapping this button, you're instructing the AI to get to work on crafting your image. Within just moments, you'll see the outcomes generated based on your description. This process is not only quick, but incredibly rewarding as you watch your ideas come to life through the power of AI. Let's recap quickly to ensure everything's clear. First, find the AI image generator in your application by using the search function if needed. Then vividly describe the image you wish to create. The more detail, the better. To wrap things up, hit create and let the AI do its thing. And there you have it. Enhancing your images with AI is not only efficient but also a fun way to express creativity. This technique is ideal for anyone looking to produce high quality visuals with minimum hassle. Whether you're enhancing a photo or generating new art, this method is sure to elevate your digital projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different descriptions and see how far your imagination can take you. We hope you found this guide helpful and we can't wait to see the amazing artwork you'll create with this tool. Thanks for watching and happy creating.